107. This is the only for character or letter. For the meaning of character and letter, this kanji are usually used. So here is only one sound, Z. Here is only one sound, so G, this sound, Z. So G means character or letter. So the stroke of this kanji, first vertical one, second this one, third a little one, an angle, and vertical one, then longer one. So again, first vertical one, second horizontal, and third a little one, and continue, and this one. So this is the stroke of kanji. This kanji, first, second, third, fourth. So a stroke of this kanji again. So G kanji, G, again this way, stroke of this kanji, again this one first and second, third, fourth and fifth. So here, so again a stroke of this kanji. So here is this one is very important, little, and this one so longer, nearly bigger one from this one. This one is more bigger and vertical one. So here is overall the sound is Z. Sound is Z. So we know the kan, G. Kan means the old Chinese name, Ji means character. So kanji, that means signage, character. So kan, Ji. If you write kan, so here kan and Ji, Ji simple, kan, G, that means a new character. So if you practice, so here is kanji is 4. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, this is we know the watashi, wa, ta, shi, that means I, ami. This is watashi. This is called Ji. Ji ga heta. This is the ta. This is he. Heta. This heta. He means not good. Te means head. My hand. Te means hand. So heta. Heta means not good hand. Watashi wa ji ga heta desu. I have no good hand at letter or character. So not good, that means are bad. So in Japan, they are not trying to like that this is a bad. They are always trying to positive way, this is not good. That means sound is always good, not good. They can't say bad. So this is the Japanese tradition.